Hi, baby. Hi. I haven't posted much lately. Some jerk on TikTok keeps stealing our content. So, this video is for Toothless Dwarf Kitty on Instagram and for Toothless from Instagram on TikTok. Isn't it right, baby? Someone snatched up the Toothless Dwarf Kitty username on TikTok and has been stealing our content and posting as us. And they have 11.5K followers, or 11.7, whatever. It isn't growing because I comment on every single video that it's stolen content. But trying to get TikTok to ban an imposter is virtually impossible. So we're not really sure what else to do. I have to dig into the whole copyright stuff. Isn't it right? Oh, hi, boogers. I think she just tolerates it because she knows it has to be done. Isn't that right, baby? Yeah, that's right. I love you.